everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make an orange coconut cake. It's basically an orange bundt cake with coconut on the outside. You can use the coconut or not. You can leave it out if you want. But it's a really simple, really delicious cake, and let me show you how to do it.
We're going to start off by taking 3 teaspoons of psyllium husk, placing it in a bowl with a half a cup of water. Mix that together and just let that sit for a minute to thicken. And then we're going to take 3 medium oranges, and we're just going to grind the rinds of the oranges into the bowl. And then we're going to peel those oranges and place the orange slices into a food processor or blender and just blend that all together until it's nice and smooth and processed. Of course, removing any seeds if the oranges have seeds. These don't have seeds. These are seedless oranges. And then pour that into the bowl. And then we're going to add a half a cup of vegan yogurt and a third of a cup of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And just go ahead and mix that all together. Now we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of brown rice flour, 1 cup of millet flour, 1 cup of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix all of that together until it's well combined. And then just beat it by hand with a fork until it thickens a little bit. Just do this for about 1 or 2 minutes just to activate the xanthan gum. Then we're going to take a bundt cake pan, which has been sprayed with oil, and we're going to take a half a cup of coconut, shredded coconut. This is unsweetened, and just spread it around the pan. It'll mostly just be in the bottom of the pan, but just shake it around the edges of the pan just to get it spread out a little bit. And then we're going to pour the batter into the pan on top of the coconut. And then bake that at 350 degrees for 75 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Once it's cool, go ahead and invert it onto your cake plate or serving dish, and it's ready to serve.
Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and always remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.